In this guide, I will share with you step by step how to log in RHB Bank Online. If you want to log in, follow me on this video guide. Let's get started. First, go to Google, search for RHB Bank, then click on this first result here. After that, you will see this page, guys. After that, click on a login option, click on this directly login, and then you will see this official page from here. All you have to do, write your username to log in. If you forget your username, write forget my username, and then you would get your username back. If you want to register first time, click register now. From here, write your all card details, such as card numbers and loan account number. So this is the first step. If you want to log in through app, just go to RHB app, download this app on Google Play or App Store. After download, you will see the same steps, login option. Just write your username and password. It is easy steps and simple. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.